So when we talk about karma, everybody has their own definition, actually, depending on where you learned it, what you've learned about it, your own personal experiences. To me, when I speak about karma, I talk about it like we are bound by what we think, but what we say, what we do. So we answer to ourselves. So when you make a promise to someone, you're the one who made that promise. So you're the one who has to fulfill it. Whether it's good or whether it's bad depends on what your thoughts are and the origin of the promise and where it came from. So it would be whether it's a promise or a curse, it's still the origin of where it started. And you're bound to that because you're the one who did that. So whether you concede to someone else saying it to you or whether you're the one initiating it, you're still bound to it. So when you think of being bound to your actions, then that would mean that there would be that part of you that bound you, right? That you would have to go back to that part, and it would be that part of you that would have to unbind you. It would also be the part that would have to forgive or have to let go of or have to get over.